Hi guys! Today we fix the Pinterest picture not showing issue. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone and check if the pictures are loading normally. Sometimes the issue happens temporarily and the feed may appear blank or images might not load properly. If you notice that the pictures are not showing after opening the app, don't panic because this is usually a small glitch. What we'll do first is try the simplest fix, which works surprisingly often. Now, close the Pinterest app completely from your recent apps. This step refreshes the app and clears temporary glitches that might be preventing images from loading. After closing it, simply open the Pinterest app again from your phone. In many cases, once the app reloads, the pictures will start appearing normally on your feed. If the pictures are still not showing, the next step is to update the app. For that, open the App Store on your phone and look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the search option, so tap on it. This will allow you to search for the Pinterest app and check whether a new update is available. Now look at the top of the screen where you'll find the search bar, tap on it and type Pinterest to find the official app. Once you search it, the Pinterest app will appear in the results list. From here, we can quickly check whether the app needs an update. When the Pinterest app appears, you'll either see an open button or an update button. If you see the update option, tap on it right away. Updating the app is important because many bugs and loading problems get fixed in new versions. After the update finishes, open the app again, and most of the time the images will start showing normally. If the issue still isn't fixed, the last thing you can try is restarting or restoring your phone. Sometimes the problem isn't the app itself, but a small system glitch on the device. Restarting your phone refreshes the system and clears temporary errors, which often resolves loading issues. After your phone restarts, open Pinterest again and the pictures should appear normally. So that's how you can fix the Pinterest picture not showing problem using a few simple steps. Most of the time, just reopening or updating the app solves it instantly. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. And feel free to leave a comment below if you're still facing the issue. I'll try my best to help.